Hello everyone. So today's video is a little bit different because I'm not going to be answering every question with you because I really want you guys to try and start analyzing this yourself, but I am going to help with some of the tables and help you to remember how to do some of this in Desmos. So first of all, let's make sure I present my screen. Share. It should be sharing now. So looking at this, we're comparing functions, specifically linear and exponential relationships. So in this activity, you will compare linear and exponential relationships, examine the following two scenarios, and make a prediction about which model will produce the greatest amount of money. So model 1, a prize will be awarded that begins with $10 and increases by $5 each week for 20 weeks. In model 2, a prize will be awarded that begins with 1 cent and doubles each week for 20 weeks. In the space below, make a prediction about which model you believe will generate the greatest amount of money. Explain your reasoning. There's no right or wrong answer for this. Just make sure you explain how you're thinking right at this moment. Okay, let's look at number 2, or completing the chart. So model 1, it says we start with $10. So we're going to put 10. And it increases by $5 each week. So we're increasing by 5. We're adding 5 each week. So 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 5 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. 25 plus 5 is 30. 30 plus 5 is 35. Think right now what type of function you think we have here. Just think, since we're adding by 5. Okay, for the next one, we're starting with 1 cent, and we're doubling, which means we're multiplying by 2. So 1 cent times 2 is 2 cents. 2 cents times 2 is 4 cents. 4 cents times 2 is 8 cents. 8 cents times 2 is 16 cents. 16 cents times 2 is 32 cents. Again, think of what type of function we have if we're multiplying by 2. If we're multiplying by 2. And you might need some of your notes out from yesterday to help when we get a little bit long later on. So you're going to answer 2 by yourself. I'm not going to help you with that. And we are going to look at the next chart. We're going to continue on. So I have 35. I'm adding 5. We have 40. Add 5, 45. Add 5, 50. Add 5, 55. Add 5, 60. Here we're going to keep doubling. We have 0.64 because 32 times 2 is 64 cents. Times 2 is $1.28. Times 2 is $2.56. Times 2 is $5.12. And times 2 is $10.24. And if you remember yesterday, after 10 days, I think it was, we had 10.24. So that does sound right. Okay. Let's keep going. Okay, so for 3, you're going to answer this one by yourself. And we're going to continue on and do the last 10. So we stopped at 60, so the next one's 65, and then 70, and then 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105, 110. I'd like to make $110. Let's see what the other one gets us. So the next one is $20.48. And I'm going to be real, I can't do the rest of this off the top of my head. So after that one, I'm going to go to Desmos and see what I get. So we have 20.48 times 2. And I got 40.96. And I'll show you the chart after we're all done. But let's keep going. Times 2, 81.92. And I just keep multiplying that times 2. So you can just do it all in one line. I get 163.84 for the next one. 327.68. 655. 0.36, $1,310.72. Oops, times 2. $2,621.44. $5,242.88. $10,485.76. So at the end, this is what your table should look like. If you need to pause and write that down at this point, you are more than welcome to. Okay, so you are answering the rest of the questions by yourself. I was just here to help with the table. Now, one thing I do want to show you is that on Desmos, say I put in a function, any function, y equals 2x plus 1, and I wanted to share this with someone. Well, first I might title it so I know what I'm talking about, but over here on the right side you can see my name, Erin O'Connor, then you see a trophy, and then you see something with a box and an arrow. You're going to click that, and then it says share this link, and it has a link with calculator and then some letters afterwards. Press copy. And it's been copied once you see that check mark. And then I'm going to paste that into my work today, or I can write it down if need be. That is perfectly fine as well. Or you can email it to me if you do it on paper and need to do that. Whatever works for what you're doing. Just make sure it's also part of your answers. And that's your activity for today. Just so you know, the next 2 days, you are going to be doing some Desmos activities that also looks at comparing linear and exponential functions. As always, if you need help, we can certainly get on a Google Meet and I can do the activity with you. That is always fine. And then Friday, you will have another video looking at another aspect of exponential functions. I hope you have a wonderful day.